On site, we've just given the documentation to the business owner. Now they're doing some work and they want a before and after video producing, so that's why we're here. So one of the first things that we do is when we enter somewhere new is to just have a look around for some nice gaps, something that'll give a nice flow for the pilot. Nice tall hall. Here he is trying to arm. No. So it's just a few problems we get. With it being so small, sometimes you can't hear the motor steam. As you can see there, I've set up a tyre, just so there's something for him there to play with. Straight to the boxing ring. That was loud. Right there was one of the first crashes. When you're watching him fly, it's nothing but amazing to see how he controls something so precisely. It's just amazing. It's hard to actually keep up and track it with a camera sometimes. Oh, nearly. So there are a few crashes, but this drone in particular seems to be taking them like a champ. Just keeps getting back up. There's another one.
This is a good thing with the tyre.
Straight back up.
Really, it can take some real good hit.
Very, very well built. With it being indoors, I haven't really got much to do in terms of actual spotting, which makes my life so much simpler.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy. Don't know if you've seen what I've just done there.
So I've added some more tyres just to try and get better shots, better clips, and maybe we can use them for transitions as he backflips over them. Mr. Squads wants all these boxing bags swinging, so I guess as a spotter, it's my duty. And there we are. All swinging beautifully. Now he wants to try and go down between the walls and the pillars whilst back to swinging, which is nothing shy of crazy.
No. I've got a camera in the ring, so what I do is I land, and then what we do is I'm just playing with. Come back down to that stuff in there. Come back down to that stuff and I'll throw this down.
Here we tried to set up a shot where he'd throw the drone, but it kept landing upside down. So we tried again, and nope. So that is a day in the life of a spotter. Thank you for watching.